Welcome to projectmanagerhelper.com. For this example, we're going to try to predict whether a government shutdown will happen at the end of the fiscal year or not. First of all, we want to gather as much data as possible. In this case, I went back to 1996 and I found out whether a government shutdown happened that year or not. So 30 years of worth of data up till 2025. Then next step, if it did shut down, I looked up how many days per each shutdown, and I added that to our matrix here. Next, for additional predictive power for linear regression, we looked up which party was in power of the Senate, the House, and the White House during that year, and then how many seats did they have ahead of their rival party. Once we added all the data in Excel and we normalized it, meaning any shutdown that happened, we answered with yes, and that was transformed into a 1, a no, transformed to a 0, Republican, transformed to a 1, Democrat, transformed to a 0. We want to assign number values to each variable so we can run multi-linear regression with it. Next step, we copied our table there from Excel, and we want to go to statistics in Project Manager Helper and paste the Excel data and calculate statistics. This is going to help us figure out what best distribution fits the variable that we're concerned with. In this case, for Monte Carlo, we want to know how many days the government will be shut down for this year. So we found out that distribution fit for days is a binomial distribution fit, N35 with P 0.08. We input that information into the Monte Carlo application in Project Manager Helper, and we run 10,000 simulations. And you can see here, there is a 95% probability that the government will shut down for 0 to 6 days. Next, as a bonus round, we inputted that data into multi-variable regression. And you can see here how good the fit of the model is, only 22%, which means it's not a great model. However, if we input the current Senate seats, House seats, and the White House, the model predicts that there is a 22.12 accuracy to this sample size, and it will predict that 2.9 days of total shutdown this year.